Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Taste Trekker, where we explore the world of culinary delights and share our latest cooking adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of Taste Trekker, where we'll be sharing some of our favorite recipes and cooking tips. So, let's get started. First up, we're going to whip up a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for a cozy night in, the classic beef stroganoff. This hearty meal is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. All you need is a few simple ingredients, including beef, onions, mushrooms, sour cream, and a few seasonings. To start, we'll brown the beef in a large skillet. Once it's cooked through, we'll add in the onions and mushrooms, cooking them until they're tender. Then, we'll stir in the sour cream and seasonings, and voila! Your beef stroganoff is ready to be devoured. Next up, we're tackling the always popular chicken parmesan. This dish is a crowd pleaser and a great way to impress your friends and family. To make it, we'll start by dredging the chicken in flour, then egg, and finally breadcrumbs. Once the chicken is coated, we'll pan fry it until it's golden brown and crispy. Then, we'll top the chicken with a generous helping of marinara sauce and a sprinkling of cheese. Pop it in the oven to melt the cheese and finish off the dish. And there you have it, a delicious and impressive chicken parmesan dish that's sure to be a hit. Last but not least, we're going to tackle the classic baked ziti. This comfort food favorite is perfect for a lazy Sunday afternoon or a busy weeknight. To make it, we'll start by cooking the ziti according to the package instructions. Then, we'll mix together a creamy sauce made from ricotta, parmesan, and mozzarella. Once the sauce is ready, we'll layer it with the cooked ziti, more sauce, and a sprinkling of cheese. Then, we'll bake it until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious and hearty baked ziti dish that's sure to satisfy your cravings. And that's a wrap for today's Taste Trekker cooking adventure. We hope you enjoyed these delicious recipes and cooking tips as much as we did. Remember, cooking can be fun and rewarding, and it's a great way to bring people together. So, why not give these recipes a try and share your creations with us? Thank you so much for joining us today, and don't forget to follow us on social media for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!